Mr. Speaker, I'm standing up on a point order number 1.
Yes. Order. 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 Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable Wanjala. Order. Honorable Wanjala, thank you very much for providing comic relief to the House. Standing order number 1 does not apply. It only applies where a matter is not provided for. What you are dealing with is provided for under the standing orders. And any further interjections, Wanjala, I'll rule you out of. Order, Wanjala. Order. Honorable Wanjala, you may be excited about the matter, but be orderly. I've ruled you out of order. Take your seat and remain calm. Order, Wanjala. There is no time for you because you have no matter to prosecute. Take your seat. Yes, Senior Counsel.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise under standing orders number 1, number 66, and Article 152(9) of the Constitution. I need the Speaker's ear, so we cannot compete for his ear.